Hey, a quick vlog installment on my quest for a pop country ringtone. Over the last couple weeks or week and a half or so, I've been listening to pop music from different countries. From India, from the Middle East, from South America, and also from the Far East, Korea and Japan. And one of the things that struck me, and I don't really dip into these different styles of music, but when I have in the past, it sounded either like super unproduced and years behind in the technology, and it either was trying its best to sound like us, or it kind of lacked the production quality. Well, that's not happening now, and in fact, they've really stepped up their game. I guess what they're saying, it's not for me to say, hey, I approve of you now. You've really, you've measured up. But my observation is that pop music around the world is just super, super well done and well produced. Whether it's well written, that's another problem. So I ended up listening to some more country music and some of the more mellower stuff. Most of the songs seem to have to do with, love or lost love or longing love or being away or, some of it's, being proud to be an American and all that kind of stuff. Not necessarily being proud to be an American and being in love is a great thing, but I'm more of a fan of like the Creedence Clearwater Revival songs or the Beatles songs that aren't love songs. So, yes, I'm an old codger. But that's okay. I won't be around too much longer for you to kick me around. But my point is, in terms of subject material, I'm not really sure. There's some beats and things that I've heard in the Latin music and in some of the other styles of music that kind of struck me. And I think I'm going to use that as the basis for my song. And then we'll just see where it goes from there. I'm using this stuff again. I find when I have a constrained period of time that writing things down and keeping track of those little black dots is helpful. So I'm going back to recording or writing some music, not recording some music, and I'll check in with you in a little bit. Wish me luck, and hasta hasta luego, la vida loca, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, ciao.